Hey loves, Amanda and
Eric here of Acro Fantasy. If you're tired of not knowing what's going on during an Acro jam or home practice, we get it. We've been there. Hands, feet, upside down, right side up. We don't know what's left for right. So, by the end of this video, we hope that we'll give you a little bit more information on where you're going from here.
we have helped so many students change their upside down from right side up and learn how to communicate with their partner through simple hand signals and where to place hands and feet, because sometimes you don't want to place them in the wrong place.
Starting with reverse hand to hand, with the base's fingertips out, the flyer will stack their hand directly on top, fingertips forward, as the shoulders stack from shoulder to shoulder. For the Arm-Wrestle Grip, connect at the thumbs, wrapping the fingertips around the back of the hand. Fully extend the arm back from shoulder to shoulder. For the Forearm Grip, take snake bites along the forearms, wrapping the ring finger and pinky finger and thumb around the rest of the forearm. For hand-to-hand, interlock the thumbs, taking a snake bite grip up the forearm. Again, wrapping the ring finger and the pinky finger and the thumb around the rest of the hand. For ganesh grip, connecting fingertips like you're interlocking your hands.
Alright you guys, so I want you to comment below with which hand grips and foot placements you use regularly or which ones you're excited to try. And if you're wondering what this weird blue thing is underneath Eric's hips, it is our trusty wedge. If you haven't seen our video on our props that we use for acro yoga, again this one's from Empowered Acro out of Austin, be sure to go ahead and click the link below so that you can see that video so that you know why and how we use this.
For shin to foot, place the base's toes just below the flyer's kneecap, bending the knees into the chest with the base's heels to the inside of the flyer's shin bones. For foot to shin, the same thing in reverse, placing the feet just below the base's kneecaps with the heels to the inside of the shin bone. For foot to hand, the base will cup their hand around the flyer's feet, thumbs to the inside, fingertips to the outside in a C grip.
Alright, so now that you know all of the basic hand and foot placements, what are you going to do with them? We have a free 7-day challenge that we have right here on YouTube, and you can go ahead and click the link below to subscribe so that you're able to get all of these into your inbox, as well as the tutorial videos on YouTube.
Also, if you'd like to join a community of like-minded beginner acro yogis just like you, we have a growing community on Facebook. We'll link our group below where you can get all sorts of extra content and fun stuff to try.
Yep, chat with some other yogis about flows that they're trying, any beginning meditations, and any other flows that we have added in the group. Alright, so if you guys like this video, be sure to like it below, subscribe to our channel,
and share it with all your yogi friends or any other couple you think could benefit from anything that we're working on here.
We have new content that comes out every Thursday, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.
Bye.